So here you come over here and let me show you 2 daily tips that you can use to unlock the power of play and boost your happiness and health. So I am Layla Boisel. I'm a cancer survivor. I'm your friendly neighborhood health and wellness advocate, and I am a big time player. So play has been shown to relieve stress. It helps to improve your brain function. Play will boost your creativity, and it can also increase and it can improve your connections with other people. It can make you feel more energetic, and it can also heal our emotional wounds. It's really, really important then that we really find ways to cultivate playfulness, and all that means is finding things that help us to feel good. So here are 2 easy ones that I use normally that I would like to share with you because I think they can bring benefit to your life if you don't do them already. The first one is to make connections with another person. Give them a daily hug. And as you give them that hug, just take time with the hug. Make it a 30-second hug. Smile as you hug them. Relax. Let it change you. Let it change them. You don't have anybody to hug, buy a stuffed toy. Seriously, that can really, really work. I've tried it myself. It's very, very soothing. The second thing is to act silly. So here's a double dare one for you. Every morning at the top of your lungs, say, whoop whoop, what a great morning, just like this. Or you can just make loud noises. You can snort when you laugh if you do that normally. Don't be afraid. You can wear bright colors. You can laugh a lot. Or you can put on loud music and just move your body. Don't be afraid to be silly. Promise me and promise yourself that you will find 2 ways to play every day this week. You can take my suggestions, and as you do them and you practice playing more and more, what you will find is that you will come up with more ideas that you would really like to try. So love ya, like and follow for more tips.